Alright.
Hold on a second. There's some glass in there if you want to sweep it out.
Alright, gonna seal me up. 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s. That's what happens when you buy platinums.
For these rappers who talk about the days when they used to be sad. I guess I can't get famous. I'm 28, still praying for the day I have a chance. Maybe I'll help me out though. I'm just trying to take care of my household. I don't even want to make the house go. I just want all the system gets a hold of me again and starts to squeeze under my chin until I'm out cold. Help me, I'll even take a selfie with your album. I spent everything I had and I never had. Oh my god. Deal with the stress, used to contemplate my suicide. Rest. Sit up on my desk, listen to your music. You taught me to grow, you taught me the things to have on my. Medication that I had to take just to stay. More important shit than what you wear and where you live and who you fucking, what you drink and what you spend and what you drive. Marketing vehicle for the product that the man wants you.